Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I am unboxing Confetti Collection. Confetti Collection is a box that they say is filled with 8 or more coordinated giftables, fun novelty items, and stationery. And I got it for the very first time, which was their very first box last month. And I enjoyed it so much that I could not wait to receive this month's. Now, I didn't have very much space between my two boxes because the first box was an April-May box that I got at the end of May. And this is the June-July box, which I arranged to receive sooner, so I'd have it here at the beginning of June. So I cannot wait to see what is inside here. This is what it looks like when you open it up. It is a big box that is filled with all of those nice squigglies, but like I've said, they are both cream colored and iridescent, so I will save them to put inside gift bags and that kind of thing. And then we have a package of goodies here and a nice little cup up there, so that must be what they do. Oh, and by the way, last month my cup wasn't in my box because I ordered late. I got a different selection than some other people and I wasn't sure if I would get a cup. So I called Confetti Collection. They still have a number. And I'm old enough that I appreciate being able to make a phone call. And I spoke to the nicest people there and they sent me out a cup. I had it, I want to say 2 days later. It was so fast. Fantastic customer service. Also, I called back because they bill you 60 days, every 60 days. It would have put me at the end of the cycle every time because I had ordered at the end of May instead of the beginning of April. And they easily worked that out for me to change my date now to be at the beginning of the shipping cycle. So fantastic customer service. Actually, I spoke to Crystal there, so 2 thumbs up for Crystal. So I'm going to take the burrito out. And that's what it looks like. And let's dig in and get this cup because we all want to see what the cup is this month. I kind of like that we're going to get a cup every month. I use the cup for different things. Even if I don't think I'm going to drink out of it, I use them to keep my brushes in for my makeup brushes and a million other things. Oh, this is pretty. This is an enameled cup. Last month was a plastic wine glass. This is a pretty enameled cup. That print kind of reminds me of a Laura Ashley print. Again, you might have to be older to recognize that. Let me put my glasses on and see what this says. Enamel Mug by C.R. Gibson. So cute. Okay, let's get into this fun little burrito of goodness and see what we've got. And when I open it, this is what it looks like. It's a surprise. It says, surprise, note to self. Are you excited? Because we are. We've put together a box full of cute and clever surprises just for you. Get creative. That's awesome. I just love this box so much. I love stationery. I can't help it. It's a thing that I love. But this is just so cute. And my granddaughters came over after I got last month's and they colored in those nice file folders. I'll put the video up here in case you want to see what we got last month. Oh, I guess I should tell you a little bit about the box. Sorry about that. It comes every other month. I think I've said that. And it's $19.99, but you do pay shipping. Now, shipping to me is $5. I think it depends on where you live, and I'm an East Coaster, and I think they are too. But there is shipping. So it's $19.99 a month unless you sign up annually, and then it's $105. So that would be $105 for 6 boxes. So you save about $15 by signing up that way. They say each box has a $50 value, and it is only available in the 49 contiguous U.S. states. So let's get in here and see what this wonderful box has in store for this month. I'm so excited, I can't wait. The very first thing that I see on top is a Color Me notebook. That is so neat. It is just a long, look how thick that is. That is so thick. It is a long book that you can color the front of, just like those file folders and the to-do list that we had last week. This will kind of coordinate if you make it coordinate. It is a notepad and it has 300 pages. So there are, oh, and you can doodle on each and every page. They've got that. I'm telling you, I've got to keep my pencils handy, my color pencils, because when I'm sitting around doodling grocery lists and stuff now, I do it all in color. Yes. I can't help it. I like it. And this is by C.R. Gibson, which, by the way, same people that do that. And next, I have the bows and the ribbon that we received also in last month's. So this must be something that we're going to get every month, which is good to know because sometimes I hold back on using extras because I'm afraid I'm going to run out. So that worked nicely. Next, I have a super cute list pad of 75 sheets. And on the front of it, it has, this is a separate packaging. Let's get in here. All right, let's get in here and see what this little butterfly pad is. This is just all, I write so much stuff down. I know that everybody these days puts all of their lists on their notepad in their phone or something, but I prefer doing it on paper. Oh, it's different colors. So it's pink and blue and yellow. Here, let me see if I can, there's kind of an orange. Kind of fun, huh? So it's just a butterfly shaped pad. This will look so cute sitting on my vanity as opposed to just a regular humdrum notepad. So that'll be fun. And then let's see what these little guys were that were attached to the top of it. More butterflies. So cute. Oop, fell off. So we have the little purple one. Oh, they're Post-it notes. I love this because I am always wanting to write in books or make notes, and you can leave that hanging out almost like a bookmark. So they're so cute, and that's exactly what they are. We have purple, pink, yellow, and that coral color again. And that's what they look like. So cute. There are 75 stickies of each of the colors, so 300 sticky notes. I really feel like I want to do something fun with this little fella. So cute. Okay, next we have our napkins. So this is also, must be part of the theme. I got napkins in a cup that matched last month, and this month we did again. So these will be really pretty, just sitting around to have napkins as opposed to plain old white ones. Love it. And we have our bag. This is lovely. It's got a pink bottom, and it's just a really pretty, sorry for all the light reflecting. There we go. This is just a really pretty gift bag, and I love receiving the gift bags because I always feel like I'm running out last minute for a gift bag. And if I can't get to the dollar store and I have to run to Target or somewhere, you're going to spend $4 or $5 easy just on the gift bag. And last but not least, I have another notepad that's it's like they know me because I am a list maker. And the front of this one, lists. Yep. So, oh, it's magnetized. Can you see? I know, who gets this excited over stationery? And I open it up. Oh, and look, it's bullet pointed lists. I do that so much. I've been thinking about doing it in my videos so that halfway through I don't say, oh, right, I forgot to tell you that this is a $19 box. And lists. I make lists. It's kind of what I'm known for in the family. I'm not known for thinking through a situation. I'm known for overthinking through a situation. So I love it when I kind of write it down. Perfect. So that's what we got for $19.99 for our June-July box from Confetti Collection. So it's the lists book and the very pretty gift bag and the matching cup, napkins, and cup. And those are really pretty. And the matching butterfly Post-it type notes that you can write on because they're just paper, and the actual butterfly notepad that's in several colors. The ribbons and bows again. This is a different color actually. This is a softer pink. Last month, I've got it right here. Hold on a second. Last month we had oh, I probably can't tell from this far away. Last month we had a brighter fuchsia color. I'll move them in close and hope that you can tell. See, this brighter one was from last month, and this babier pink is from this month. So we have that and the coordinating ribbon, which is fantastic. And we have this lovely doodleable notepad that you can do your nice coloring on. You can color the hard cardboard outside or each and every individual page of the 300 pages. So I like the box. I like stationery. I like lists. I wrap presents all the time. I can use pretty little cups. Like I said, this is great for holding brushes or, oh, all of my cute things that I keep up here for my taping. It can sit right here on my table and hold all of my goodies. That's kind of fun. Might have just found a home for it. Yep, she's very pretty over there. Okay, guys. Thanks for coming by. Have a great weekend. In case you didn't notice, I didn't do a face mask on Friday. I'm moving it to Face Mask Monday. I have found that on Fridays, too often, I have another box that I want to show you, and I don't like to double video you in a day. I don't want you to get too tired of me. Have a great weekend. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I do more videos, and I will see you all really soon. Bye.